Hello viewers, welcome to all. In the previous lecture, that is in lecture 18, we have discussed the expenditure method and components of expenditure method. Today, I shall establish the relationship of some basic economic variables, which is basically related to solving the problem of national income accounting. So first, we have to establish the basic relation. Number one, basic relationship. Basic relationship between number one, gross and net. Number two, national and domestic. National and domestic. And number three, market price and factor cost. This is part A relation. We have to consider this is part A relation. And in part B relation, we have to establish the interrelationship in part B. In part B, we have to establish interrelationship between among different aggregate interrelationship among different interrelationship among different aggregates of national income. Among different aggregates of national income. So these two relationships we have to establish. The first one is, now I'll start part A. Part A. For establishing the relationship between gross and net, national income, national and domestic, and market price and factor cost, some bridging components are required. For establishing the relation between gross and net, national and domestic, and market price and factor cost, some connecting components are required. Now, what are these connecting components? The connecting components are the connecting components or bridging components are are number one, depreciation. Number one, depreciation. Number two, NFIA, net factor income from abroad. And number three, NIT. NIT means net indirect tax. That is indirect tax minus subsidy. Net indirect tax means indirect tax minus subsidy. And NFI means factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. And alternative name of depreciation are consumption of fixed capital, wears and tears. Number three, current replacement cost, capital consumption allowance, etc. All these are the alternative name of depreciation. Now, we have to establish one by one. First is gross and net. We have to establish the relation between gross and net. For establishing gross and net, the bridging component number one, for establishing gross and net, the bridging components is depreciation. Bridging component is depreciation. That is, gross is equal to net plus depreciation. Net plus depreciation. And net is equal to and net is equal to what? Gross minus depreciation. This is first relation. Now I will come to the second relation, that is national and domestic. National and domestic. The first one is what? Gross and net. The national and domestic for establishing the national and domestic, the bridging component is NFIA, national and domestic. The bridging component is NFIA. NFIA. Therefore, national is equal to what? Domestic plus NFIA. And domestic is equal to national minus NFIA. This is the second relation between the national and domestic. Next, I will come to the third relation. Next, I will come to the third relation. That is market price and factor cost. Third relation is market price and factor cost. For establishing the market price and factor cost, for establishing the relationship between market price and factor cost, the bridging component is NIT, market price and factor cost. Bridging component is NIT. Therefore, market price, that is MP, is equal to factor cost, that is FC plus NIT, and factor cost that is FC is equal to market price that is MP minus NIT. So these are the basic relation between the gross and net, national and domestic, and market price and factor cost. Next, I'll come to the part 2, that is interrelationship among different aggregates of nationals. Next, I'll come to this. Next, I'll come to interrelationship. Interrelationship. Relationship among different aggregates of national income. National income. This one is part B relation. The interrelationship among different related aggregates of national income has been depicted with the help of the following chart. Now I am drawing this chart. GNP, GDP, NDP, NNP. In the opposite side, the same, you have to write the same thing. GNP, GDP, NDP, NNP, NDP, NNP. Here, GNP means gross national product. So, the N for the national, N for the national. In the same way, this one is national. Here GDP, D for domestic. In the same way, you can D for domestic. Here, G for gross domestic product. Again, G for gross. G stands for gross. Whereas here, N stands for net. N stands for net. Gross domestic product, net domestic product. And here D for domestic. And P for product. P for always product. Here N for, first N for net and second N for national. Second N for national. In the same way, here N for net and D for domestic. Domestic. Here also the N for net, and this N for national. Okay? So now I will establish the relation between GDP, GNP, NDP, and NP. Here, GDP means GDP market price. Here also GNP means GNP market price. GDP means GDP market price. NDP means NDP market price. NNP means NNP market price. In the same way, we have to establish here GNP means GNP factor cost, GDP factor cost, NDP means NDP factor cost, and NNP factor cost. And this NNP factor cost is called as national income. This one is called as national income. National income is called as national income. This is called as national income. NNP factor cost is called as national income. Now, we have to establish the relation between GNP market price and GDP market price. Here, GNP means gross domestic product at market price. Again, GNP means gross national product at market price. Gross national product at market price. GDP means gross domestic product and market price. So only the difference between N and D, that means national and domestic. Already, just few minutes before, already we have established the relation between national and domestic. When we have to calculate the domestic, then the bridging component of the national and domestic is NFI. When we have to calculate the domestic, then this NFI will be subtracted from national. So this one is minus NFIA. But whenever we have to calculate the national, that is gross national product, then NFIA will be add with the domestic. So NFIA will be add NFIA. Domestic plus NFIA, you will get the value national. In the same way, whenever we have to establish the relation between gross domestic product and market price and net domestic product and market price, the relation between here, only the difference is the D is D same, P is P same, market price is same. So only the difference between G and N, that means gross and net. Already, just few minutes before, we have to establish the relation between gross and net. Here, bridging component is what? The depreciation. Whenever you have to calculate the value of net, then depreciation will be subtracted from where? From gross. So, here, minus depreciation, DEP. Depreciation means DEP. But whenever you have to calculate the value of gross, whenever you have to calculate the value of gross, then depreciation will be add with net, that is plus depreciation. In the same way, whenever we have to establish the relation between net domestic product and market price and net national product and market price, here the NN is same, net domestic product, net national product, NN is same, product is same, only the difference between the domestic and national. Here, whenever you have to calculate the value of national, then it will be the bridging component of domestic and national is NFIA. So NFIA will be added with domestic. Then we will get NFIA. But whenever you have to calculate the value of domestic, then NFIA will be subtracted from national, that is minus NFIA. So this is the basic relation between the GNP, GDP, NDP and NNP. The same process will be followed in the right hand side, that is plus minus NFIA plus NFIA. Now relation between GDP FC and NDP FC, the same process will follow. Whatever we have to followed to establish the relation between GDP and NDP. Minus depreciation and plus depreciation. And here also the same process will follow. That is plus NFIA and minus NFIA. Now we have to establish the relation between market price and factor cost. Here, bridging components of market price and factor cost is NIT. Whenever the NIT will be subtracted from market price, then we will get the value FC. That means MP minus NIT, you will get the value FC. And whenever you have to calculate the value of MP, then NIT will be added with FC. That is NIT. In the same process will follow here, minus NIT plus NIT minus NIT plus NIT. And here also the minus NIT and plus NIT. So this is the interrelationship among the different aggregates of national income. Whenever you have to solve the problem of national income accounting, only you have to follow this chart. On the next day, I will discuss some problem which is basically related to this basic relationship. Okay, thank you.